Hey guys, it's Missy here. So we found some fireweed flowers to make some fireweed nice juice. We already got some. So let's start picking these ones. We have to make sure they don't have ants on them or bees. So here's some over here. Let's pick some. You can only take the ones that are bloomed. Like these ones over here, you can take that. See? We gotta get 16 cups of flowers. Let's get picking. You can find these flowers along the highway. That's where we parked over there. Where the highway is. Now we've got all the flowers. It's time to wash them. So, get a bucket, fill it up with cold water. Now we just let them soak. Now we have the flowers all washed up. Now let's go make the syrup. You might need an adult to help. So the first ingredient is 4 cups of water, a half lemon juice, and 3 cups of sugar. Now let's pour this into the pot. Okay, pouring it in. Oh. There we go. Whoopsies. One, not squeeze. Oh, too much. Whoopsies. One more. There we go. All done. Now let's use this lemon juicer. So we're getting the lemon juice out of this lemon. Look how much we've gone through. Let's keep on going until we get the juicer up. So now we got all the lemon juice out of these 2 lemons. Now we're stirring this thing. Once it's dissolved, we're going to put it in the flowers. Now that the ingredients are all dissolved, we are going to pour it into the flowers. Now we're going to let it sit in the fridge for 3 days. Now that the flowers have sat in the fridge for 3 days, we are going to strain it. Oh shoot, using this. Let's get it going. We've got most of the big chunks out. Now we're going to use a coffee filter to take the rest of this in the sink. And let's do it. You might need an adult to help with the filter. Now we got all the flowers out of the juice. We are gonna pour it into a little cup. We can fill it up with water or pop. Let's pour this in here, not much. This is how much you need. Now we're either gonna fill it up with water or pop. We're gonna add some water to the juice. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Oh my god, the drink was so good, you guys. You can also make syrup, jelly, and ice cream. You can actually eat the whole plant. You cook it like asparagus and eat the leaves in a salad or make tea out of it. The other thing is, the younger plants are sweeter and get more bitter after it flowers. You can also eat the roots by roasting them or grinding them into flour. Have a nice day.